Maharashtra, brother. Yes, brother.
Am I
Where?
audible to you?
Hello, brother. Where are you
Hello.
from? Where are you from?
I am from Maharashtra, Akola district. And you?
Oh, that's great, brother. I am in Jalna district, brother. I'm also Maharashtra. Hello.
Yeah. Yes. I identify you on your name.
That's great, brother. And what is your
Yeah.
Hey,
Gajanan
but
Khara. Yes.
yes, but education, brother. What is your uh hello? What is your
Hello.
yes, but education, brother. Hello.
Yeah.
Uh,
Actually, hello. Can you hear me?
yes. You can hear me, brother.
I identify you on your name that you might be. I thought that you might be from Maharashtra because Gajanan Kharat is a very familiar name in Maharashtra.
Oh,
And around, yeah, so from which district you are?
I am in Jalna district, brother.
Yes. And have you heard Akola Washim?
I know, brother, very well about Akola washing. This is a Vidarbha test. Uh, this is a Vidarbha in Marathwada region.
Marathwada region. Yeah, exactly. And what you do?
Yeah, brother. This year, I am pursuing my post graduation, MA English, brother.
MA in
Post
English. That's good.
MA English. Yeah.
Good. And there is one place on the way of Jalna, Sinkhed Raja.
Yeah, brother. I know. Uh,
And there are in Sinkhed Raja Taluka, there are so many Kharat. Kharat is belongs to Mali community.
yes, brother.
Are you also? Because here in nearby my school, there is one Ganesh Kharat. Is a teacher and he belongs to Sinkhed Raja.
Yeah, brother. I am here, but in I am in Hindu religion, brother. Hindu religion.
Yeah. And are you belongs to Mali community?
Yes, brother. In Hindu religion, brother.
Huh?
Hindu religion, brother. Hindu Maratha. Yeah.
Hindu Maratha or Mali.
Uh, yeah, but may I know about yourself, brother? What's your
Yes.
name? What's your education about to that, brother?
Yeah, I am also MA in English, but yes, I have passed from distance education.
That's great.
Yes.
And
Uh,
yes, brother. Hello.
yes. Yes. Can you see me? Can you see?
Yes, yes, brother. Yes, you
Mhm.
can see, brother. Uh, you can see, brother.
1 minute. Yes. I think I
Ye-
changed the camera
Yes,
mode.
brother. What's your name, brother? Hello.
Name is Gajendra. Gajendra.
Oh, your name also Gajendra. We are also same name like that. Gajanan and like
Yes,
same name.
Gajanan. Yes.
Yes, brother. We are also same name like that. Gajanan and Gajendra. Okay.
Yes. Yes. And where do you live now? Where do you live now?
I live in my hey brother in Jalna district, brother.
Okay. And do you live in your village or the city?
I live in my village, brother. Village.
Village.
Uh,
Mm.
yeah. and uh, like hey uh, 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 like uh, 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 like uh, like since when have you been learning in English? You since
Yeah,
when
yeah.
learning English?
I have been learning since 1 year. Yes, yes.
Oh, that's great. And please hey in uh like mean hello
Yes, 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 yes,
like
yes.
like um like um how old are you?
I am
How old are you?
45 years.
45.
45. 45.
Oh, that's
Yes.
great. And uh, what is your hey, in occupation?
Yes, my occupation is, yes, I am a teacher.
You are teacher.
Yes, yes.
That's great. Yeah.
Uh,
And please uh, uh, when we talk to someone, hello,
yes, yes.
when we talk to someone at that time we sometime we uh, like hesitate a lot we don't have a good uh, like we don't have good when we talk to someone at that time we hesitate, we don't have good uh, like we don't have good uh, confidence to speak. That's which activity we should do daily. Hello.
Yeah, actually, Gajanan, I
Yeah.
would like to remind you that
Yeah.
don't worry about the hesitation
Yes.
at the beginning stage. At the beginning stage, everyone hesitate, and
Yes.
you just try to speak whatever you want, and four ways I'm going to tell you about the improving English. First,
Yes.
at the first you should listen. Means we should listen more and more, like a video, YouTube video,
Yes. Yes.
and LSRW is the listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Oh
Listening,
yes.
yes, these are the four ways by which we can improve our English. Listening, first is a listening, and if you more listen, so you can also speak more. A good listener is also good speaker.
Yes.
So
Yes.
whenever we listen more and more, so obviously we can get idea how to speak, and listen like some YouTube video, grammatical
Yes. Yes.
video, English news channel, and then second way of speaking. So speak more every day with your friends, with your
Yes. Yes.
colleagues. Mm. And the third is reading. Reading means you can read newspaper. If you purchase 5 or 6 rupees one paper, Hitwad. So Hitwad is the best paper for the reading newspaper.
Yes. Yes.
Do you know Hitwad published from Nagpur? And
That's about uh he was newspaper about I don't know that. Yeah.
okay, okay. So
Yeah.
don't purchase any paper. You go to the Google and find Hitwad,
He
Hitwad,
it was
and
huh?
then Hitwad. Then you will get the Hitwad newspaper. It is very simple, and just select one or two news which is so
Okay.
simple, and try to read, and from that newspaper try to collect the familiar word. And yes, so in this way you can improve. And fourth way or fourth step is that writing. If you wrote
Yes.
down something daily, so it is better. So these are the four ways to improve your English communication skill: listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Okay, that's great. But uh, 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 since when since when like uh, since when since when like like hello
Yes, yes, I am
hello
listening.
since when
Yes.
have you been using this Skype Lite application, so like brother please.
Yeah, I have, yes, yes. I have been using this application since last 1 year, and
Oh,
that this application is for meeting or for the
yes,
conversation.
yes. Like
Mm.
this is really like this is really a great application for me, because of that like I have been using this application before 3 week ago. That is really like a great application for all English learner. Okay, because of that when we talk to this application, we we can build in our we can build in our like uh, uh, some English some we can build in our uh, like hey in through this application we can build in our confidence to speak. Okay, that's really like great application for me, and so many English learner, they must use this like they must use this application to learn English, and uh, uh, we can improve in our English, uh, like uh, we can improve in our uh, like we can improve in our like hey, like we can improve in our communication this application brother. Hello.
Yes. I know.
Yeah,
Don't worry about the hesitation.
yeah.
Whenever you practice a lot, whenever you practice more and more, you will definitely come over this problem. And tell me about yourself. So, how you decided uh, after completing your post graduation?
Yeah. I wish to become a best in uh, like uh, like uh, uh, I wish to become a one of best fluent English speaker. Okay, this is my goal.
Mm-hmm.
I wish to become one
Definitely.
of best fluent
Yes,
English speaker. This is my goal.
yes,
Because of that
yes.
like in English is the English is the big weakness in all in Maharashtrian people. Okay, when you, like if you when we just go some school college, their student, they are not getting some grammar, they could not they could not able to speak in in English. That's why this is a great uh, uh, platform to like to get yourself to uh, uh, become a like this is a great platform to become one of best like English speaker. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And let me know in which subject have you completed your graduation?
Yeah.
BA.
I would like to tell you my about like I am in the science student. Before 2 years ago, I have uh, completed my BSc. Okay, but now I am a fond of in like in English. So that's why I have uh, 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 ch- uh, that's why I have changed in my stream. Okay, that's why this year I took my admission in MA English.
Okay. In which college did you take your admission?
I took my admission here is my district in uh, Jalna district here.
In
Yeah,
which college? In which?
yeah. My college name is
In,
uh, 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 Swami Vivekanand Swami Vivekanand College Mantha. Yeah,
okay, okay. So you have taken admission in Manta.
sure. Yeah, yeah.
So and so, what is your village name? Where you live?
My village name is Gevrai.
Gevrai, Gevrai.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, good, good, Gevrai. And it is nearby Manta. It is right?
yeah, yeah. Sure. Yes, yes,
Yes, yes. And Manta is nearby Lonar.
yes. Sure. Absolutely.
I know that. I know everything. Yes,
Yeah, brother.
yeah,
Like
good.
uh, uh, hello.
Yes, I am listening. I am listening.
Hey, as per my thinking, this conversation is enough today. We will talk hey we will talk in we will talk in after some time. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.